Hey folks, Dan Frio here, the rate update special alert. I said this morning I would give you guys an update on the end of the day. It was bad. So let's get to it, where MBSs are and where that put rates. So I can show you how Mortgage News Daily adjusts the national rates as the day progresses. So watch this. So here's the MBSs. I told you that they were going to give back the gains. So we're down 92. I could almost say that's probably the biggest move that I've ever seen. There was one other time that we were like 100 worse, but this is probably the second worst that I've ever seen. So what'd that do to rates today? I told you we would give back all the gains that we had from the day before plus more, and you can see that across the board. So let's go over where rates ended the day and the trends that we're seeing throughout the aftermarket. So you can see rates are back above 4% at 4.08. They went up 18 basis points. I think the difference from this morning was it was down 12 basis points. So we picked that back up plus more. Okay, so if you didn't lock in yesterday, you missed the boat, guys. There was about a 2-day cycle that opened up the gates for really good rates, but we're back to where we were about a week or two ago. So that's that part of it. 4.08 up 18 basis points. It comes with 0.4 in points. You could see right down through here, and we're teetering back to the 52-week high. So that's the 30-year. Go across to the 15, 3.4 up 15 basis points. FHA/VA is 3.63 up 18 basis points. The jumbo is up a quarter. Remember when I said this morning, I said it's up a quarter, you're down a quarter, and that's a huge move. We gave it all back. Same thing with the ARMs. The 5-year ARM is coming in at 3.65 up 15 basis points. So let me just kind of give you a little caption on what happened today. We've been progressing through the week with the Ukraine situation and knowing that Federal Chairman Powell is going to speak in front of Congress. So then what happened is he did speak in front of Congress. But last week, the assumption was that the Federal Reserve was going to maybe hold back their rate increases because of all this going on. And we also know energy prices are going up. On my way home, and I'm doing a video at home, so I'm in my scrubs, gas everywhere peaked over $4. I saw $4.19 in one area. That alone, when people say, rents are going up and housing's going up, I get it. But there needs to be a little more outrage in the economy on energy. Okay, so now gas prices, we were at about $2 about 2 years ago. Now we're at $4, teetering maybe on $5 if this keeps going on. How much more extra are you spending on your gas? So think about it this way as well. Everything that you buy at the grocery store, at the hardware store, anything, it had to get there somehow. How? Well, it probably came in on trucks or something of that sort. How does everything run? Gas, diesel, so forth. So I'm not making this a climate change issue. I'm just saying, we got to teeter. You got to balance good and bad. Okay, so with oil prices spiking and everything else going up, and we know the Federal Reserve is going to jack interest rates, I don't know what the outlook doesn't look too good in that area. So let's break down housing a little bit. I still want to just point out this, and I'll end it with this, and then we'll come back tomorrow and I'll discuss a little bit more. What I want to discuss tomorrow is housing. Your housing, okay? I know some areas are way expensive. What's your alternative? So if you would post down in the comments below, give me your ideas on housing. I know that rents are going up, and I know housing's going up and interest rates are going up, but where do you see yourself living? If you rent, your rent's going to go up year after year after year. I still truly do not think we're going to have a housing crash. Will there be a slight, I think we're going to be stable. I don't think we're going to go in the negatives anytime soon in the next 2, 3, 4 years because there is demand. I just talked with a builder, somebody that sits on a board of a huge builder in the country, and they're like, dude, we're going to see at least 2 years of great demand for housing. And I'll pick up on that tomorrow. So if you find value in my channel, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the bell every time I post a video, you get an alert. But remember, guys, I am a mortgage broker. I basically am licensed almost all over the country. So if you're in need of a mortgage, please reach out to me and my team. You can find that information down below. Thank you so much. God bless. Have a great day.